In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on Zoho Invoice. Whether you've decided to use a new email address or just need to update your current details, this process is straightforward and simple. Stick with me over the next few minutes and I'll guide you through each step. First things first, you'll need to log into your Zoho account. Head to Zoho's website and enter your login credentials. If you're feeling a bit rusty on that password, there's always the forgot password option to save the day. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several options for you to explore. Among these options, find and click on My Account. This will direct you to your account management section, where you can oversee all your personal information and settings. In your account management, you'll need to look for the section marked Email Address. Click on it and this will bring up your email settings page. Here you will see your current email address and a few more options to modify your email preferences. Next, click on Add Email Address. It's conveniently located and should be pretty easy to spot. Once that's open, a small window or a field will appear, prompting you to enter your new email address. This is the part where you type in that shiny new email you'd like to switch to. Make sure to double check the spelling, typos can cause trouble later on. After you've entered the new email address, look for the Add button and click it to proceed with your changes. This notifies the system that you want to add this new email to your profile. A confirmation email may be sent to your new address, so don't forget to keep an eye on your inbox to verify this update. Once you've confirmed that everything is working smoothly with the new email, consider going back to remove the old email address. This cleans up your account and ensures there's no confusion down the line regarding which email to use for correspondence, and that's it, you've successfully changed your email on Zoho Invoice. Remember, keeping your personal information up to date is crucial for managing your account effectively. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helped streamline the process for you. If you have any more questions or need further tech tips, be sure to stay tuned for upcoming videos. Have a great day.